Hello, so today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make polymer clay earrings, and of course it's Christmas, so I'm going to be making some Christmassy themed earrings. But yeah, I'm super excited to do this. I posted one of these videos a couple months ago now and it did really well. Like, people really enjoyed watching it and I got lots of questions, so I'm going to try and explain a lot better now how to make them, and I'm just going to show you the process and what I'm going to make, so stay tuned to see that. So I've got this polymer clay kit and I bought it from Amazon. I will link this one or one very similar in the description because a lot of people were asking last time where I got it from. I've added a few extra bits in here, but you get like a crystal string which you can make like necklaces with. You get like a few bags of like rings and a bit of like jewellery, a few hooks, and then like these sprinkly things. I made donut earrings with them, some glitter and all that sort of stuff. And then you get obviously all the clay. I've added these brushes in myself, so I've decided I'm going to make candy canes. Don't know if I said that already. So I'm going to need my white, which I've got already, and some red, some like classic candy canes. You could also probably do like red and green, but I think I'm going to do red and white first. I've also bought this jewellery making kit. Again, I will add one linked into the description, either this one or one very similar, where you get like hooks and rings, and these are going to help to make the earrings. I'm actually just starting by warming up the clay in my hands. You just got to warm it to make it a bit softer so it's a bit easier to use. I'm going to do this with the white and the red. I got my nails done and I've got a little candy cane, so that's relevant for today. So now that they're both soft enough, all I'm going to do is start rolling it into like a little wormy shape, like so, and I'm going to do the same with the white. So I'm now just going to twist them together, just like so. Then once it's twisted like this, I'm literally just going to roll it so that it's flat. And I'm going to take this top bit off anyway. So this is like the little candy cane. Then you just kind of need to work out how long you want it and how big, and then kind of like size it down, and then literally all you need to do is just fold it into the shape of the candy cane. I did decide to go just a little bit smaller, and then we've got our little hooks. This is what you hook the earring onto, so this needs to go into the clay, and I'm going to poke it all the way down. So this is what it looks like. The hook also helps to keep the candy cane a bit more sturdy, but this is what the earring looks like. I'm just going to make the other one. So this is now both of the candy canes done for either side of the ear. You have to bake them for 15 minutes on 120 degrees, which is 248 to 266 degrees Fahrenheit. I've literally just put them in the oven for 15 minutes, so I'm going to show you when they're finished, and I'm going to construct them with the hooks and stuff and put them in my ears. So I've just collected them all from the oven and they're all literally like rock hard now. I've got the hooks connected to a little ring, and what you need to do is the little hoop, you need to pop the little ring through the little hoop. So the hook is now attached onto both sets of earrings. I'm going to show you what they look like on my ears. Here is what the red and white candy canes look like. They are really super cute. I'll show you the green and red ones. So here is the green and red ones. These ones are a tiny bit bigger. Oh, look at that cat in the background. Hey Stella. Again, I think they look super cute. These ones are like a bit more Christmassy colour because I feel like red and green are really Christmassy. But yeah, that concludes my video. You now know how to make them for yourself. I'm going to leave all the links to the polymer clay, the jewellery sets in the description so you can purchase them if you want. But yeah, I just thought I would do another video, make some Christmassy earrings because they look super cute. And just to clear up any questions from my previous video as well. So please remember to like and subscribe. Also, all my other social medias will be in the description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.